20 interesting facts about food in different countries. There are almost 200 countries in the world, and the national cuisine in each of them is unique in its own way. Moreover, residents of different regions sometimes look askance with disbelief at what they are preparing their neighbors, although often one kitchen is no worse than the other. And it's probably good to be a traveling gourmet. You can try all sorts of delicious things in different parts of the earth. Interesting facts about food in different countries. 1. Since the inhabitants of Japan have eaten a lot of seafood since ancient times, special microorganisms appeared in their digestive system that make it possible to more efficiently break down such food. 2. Initially, Europeans ate the tops rather than the fruit of carrots. In Portugal they still make jams from carrot tops. 3. In Scandinavian countries there are several traditional dishes made from spoiled fish. In Iceland they prepare hakarl from rotten shark meat, and in Sweden surströmming from sour herring is very popular. 4. In Chile, it is not customary to eat with your hands no matter what is on the plate. A well-mannered person must use cutlery. 5. The popular noodles in China cannot be cut into pieces, as they symbolize longevity and health. 6. In Japan, it is customary to slurp loudly while eating, especially when eating soups and noodles. This is how the Japanese show the chef how much they like the treat. 7. In Kazakhstan, guests are never given a full cup of tea, as courting them is considered a pleasant and honorable duty. If the Kazakh nevertheless filled the cup to the brim, it means that a visitor is not welcome in the house. 8. In France, it is customary to place bread on the table, and not on the edge of the plate. In addition, eating buns or toast before the main course is considered bad manners. 9. The head of the Catholic Church declared the large South American rodent capybara a fish so that the meat of these animals could be eaten during Lent. Dishes from these relatives of guinea pigs are still present in the cuisine of many countries around the world. 10. The largest dish in the world is roasted camel, which has been prepared in Morocco since ancient times. The animal carcass is stuffed with a whole lamb, 20 chickens, 60 eggs and other ingredients. 11. French camembert cheese becomes especially tasty just before its expiration date. 12. Desserts made from chrysanthemum petals are extremely popular in China and Japan. 13. The ancient Romans were the first to decorate dishes with a sprig of parsley. They believed that this plant could neutralize poison if the food was poisoned by enemies. 14. About 27 million Americans eat at McDonald's every day. 15. In the Philippines, a coconut cracked without nicks is considered a good omen. 16. Until the mid-19th century, in French restaurants, all the ordered dishes were brought to the guest at once. Then the Russian prince visited Paris and spoke about an alternative serving, when food is brought gradually, in the order that is listed on the menu. This method of serving began to be used everywhere and is still called service à la Russe. 17. EU legislators have officially recognized cucumbers, tomatoes, pumpkin, rhubarb, carrots and ginger as fruits. 18. In Japan, it is considered good manners to eat sushi with your hands. This is how a restaurant guest shows respect for the chef. 19. The Napoleon cake was first prepared by Moscow confectionaires in honor of the centenary of the expulsion of the French emperor from Russia. Initially, the dessert was triangular as a reminder of the Frenchman's headdress. 20. In ancient Rus, borscht was a decoction of hogweed with beet kvass.